In today's video, I am going to teach you how to merge Google Forms. When people say merge Google Forms, what they usually mean is combining questions from one existing form into another. Google Forms does not merge responses together inside one form automatically, but it does let you bring questions from an older form into a main form very quickly. This is useful if you are reusing a survey from last month, combining sections from different drafts, or building one clean final version. To begin, open the Google form you want to act as the main form. This is the form that will end up containing everything. It helps to take a moment to confirm you are in the correct file. Look at the form title at the top and glance through the existing questions so you know where you want the imported content to land. If you want the imported questions to appear in a specific place, click on the question that should come right before the new content. Google Forms usually inserts new items around where you are working, so positioning yourself first can save time later. Next, look to the menu on the right side of the form editor. This vertical toolbar has several icons for adding content. Find and click Import Questions. The icon looks like a small rectangle with an arrow, and it opens a panel that lets you pull questions from another form you have access to. Once that panel opens, select the old form you want to merge from the list provided. Make sure you pick the correct one, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. After you select the form, you will see the available questions. When you are ready, click Insert. Google Forms will copy those questions into your main form. After the questions appear, take a quick pass through your form to confirm everything imported correctly. Check that question wording, answer choices, and any section breaks look right. If anything lands slightly out of order, you can drag and drop questions to rearrange them. That covers everything you need to know.